This video tutorial is designed for graduate students using Montezuma Publishing formatting templates. Montezuma Publishing provides a variety of formatting templates on our website. In this tutorial, we will cover the proper use of the SDSU Masters template for landscape pages. The SDSU landscape page template is the preferred method for including figures or tables that are too wide to fit within the margins on a page in portrait orientation. The template ensures that the page number appears in the correct position when the page is rotated for publication. Do not use landscape pages for normal text. If you haven't already, we recommend watching our video, How to Apply Text Styles in an MP Formatting Template. That tutorial covers essential formatting concepts related to the main SDSU template. Before getting started, download the appropriate landscape template from our website at montezumapublishing.com. These templates and instructions are designed for Microsoft Word. This tutorial is conducted using Windows 10 and Microsoft Word for Microsoft 365 version 2412. If you are using a different version, your screen may look slightly different, but the steps should still apply. Our website offers landscape page templates for both master's theses and EDD dissertations. The key differences between these templates are page number placement, the location varies between theses and dissertations, and margin settings. The master's landscape template includes one page with standard margins and another with minimal margins for oversized tables or figures. Be sure to select the correct template for your discipline. Let's begin by looking at the landscape template for master's theses with standard margins. The first page contains written instructions for inserting a landscape page into your thesis. Read all the instructions carefully before proceeding. With the template open, turn on paragraph marks by clicking the Home tab, then selecting the paragraph marker in the ribbon. Next, select the section break before the landscape page through the landscape page itself, including the section break on that page. You can do this by placing your cursor at the section break on page 1, holding the Control and Shift keys, then pressing the right arrow key until each section break is selected, then copying the selection using Control-C. Now paste the copied section into the appropriate location in your thesis using Control-V. You can now insert your figures or tables on these landscape pages as needed. Do not rotate the pages. Leave them in landscape orientation. We will rotate the pages prior to publication. Follow the same steps for master's theses with minimal margins or EDD dissertations when using the dissertation template. Occasionally, pasting the landscape page with section breaks into your thesis can disrupt pagination. Be sure to check the page numbers before, on, and after the inserted landscape page. Sometimes, the document resets the pagination to page 1 after the landscape page section break. If this happens, double-click the header on the page with the incorrect number. The header and footer tab will appear in the ribbon. Click Page Number, then Format Page Numbers. In the Page Number Format window, under Page Numbering, select Continue from Previous Section, then click OK. This should resolve the issue. While Montezuma Publishing does not provide individual formatting instruction, we offer tools and guides to help you meet formatting requirements efficiently. For additional resources, video tutorials, and more information, please visit our YouTube channel, our website at montezumapublishing.com, or contact a graduate publishing associate by email at thesis@aztecmail.com. Happy formatting!